Hey everyone, okay, so I have LaLa Land and PipSticks, my monthly subscription. Didn't I just do this? I could have sworn I just opened up the dragon one, right? What is going on? Didn't I just open the other one last week? I'm so confused, you guys. I am really confused. I'm like, this is kind of weird. I don't know. But anyways, so you get the big rubber stamps, you get the dies. So let me show you what you get. So this is the collection today. This is the Pirate Marcy. Oh, I love it. And oh, I love that. Look at that. So that right there is like the notebook paper. It's like a treasure map kind of feeling to it. That's so neat. And then there's the chest, there's the pirate ship, and then there's the mountains, rocks, whatever you want it to be. If you're a good colorer, then it's actually pretty cool. I love this. This is amazing. I love how big she is. I love that you can color her if you want. Just all this is amazing. And it's 50 bucks and you get the dies and the stamp sets. And I just, yeah, I just love it. Okay, let's go with PipSticks. And PipSticks is $19.25 a month. And we're going to wait for the kids pack because I love that one the most. And we get this is February's. I have a problem rolling my R's. I think it's my big old tongue. I just can't get it to roll. It's not a good roller. Okay, so this is the classic. These are very fun. I love. They come off easy, so you can reuse this bag, which I love to do. So I put like my beaded dangles in it and give them out to people, that kind of thing. So reuse, recycle, but I love it. And I hope they don't get rid of this because it's awesome and it's unique. Okay, so I have the white background here, so hopefully that will help. Let me move this out of the way. So we have flower, this looks like wine bottles with flowers in them. That's it, to me it looks like. You know what, let me scoot it in. There we go. Let's see if we can see them together. There we go. And then we have bobas. We have borders. Borders here. Oh, look at, we have like pasta night. How cute is that? It's pasta. My least favorite food. And then we have little cotton candy, oranges, pumpkins, pineapples, penguins. They're all in a tomato. Can you guys see? Is it still too far away? Let me see if I can move them this way. I'll leave them down here though. Oh, look at, sushi. My absolute favorite food ever in this life is sushi. Oh, look how cute this is. You get the little bento box. Oh my goodness, I love it. Ugh, so cool. Love that. Then you have the, you get, it's $19.25, and how many did we always say? We always say what, 15? You get 15 of the stickers. Cake. There's, you know, someone's birthday's every day. You could be celebrating every single day, you guys, if you want. Who cares? If you're an adult, haha, go for it. If you're a kid, so sorry, but when you're going to become an adult, you can have cake for breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack. 2 in the morning, whatever. Mac and cheese. Ugh, gosh, I can't stand mac and cheese, you guys. My least favorite food is pasta. It's so gross. To me, okay? Just like sushi is gross to some people too. So, I'm not yucking anyone's yum, okay? But I'm just saying, for me, I don't like pasta. But look at this. It's catering trucks. We call them roach coaches. But I don't think that's a PC term anymore. I don't know. Or whatever. Sushi and donuts. Look at that. My favorite right here. Right here, you guys. Sushi and donuts. Yes. Life. Life right there. Oh, look at this. This is Quack Ward. This is Quack Ward. It's a big old sticker. Oh, I love it so much. This is the adult version too. I love it. Oh, look at the little pretzels. It's like a foodie one, right? So I was like, those carrots? I hope not. No, it's popcorn. And popcorn, pizza, ice cream, pretzels, tacos, hot dogs. And it goes on and on. Yum. Oh, look at this. How cute. I'm allergic to dyes, like hardcore allergic to food dyes. So I can't eat these things anymore. And every so often I want a Cheeto. And I'm like, I wish I could have it. Oh my God. But I am literally allergic. So allergic that if I have like blue and red, they take away my walking abilities. I won't be able to walk. It's a potato! I love it! A potato. Oh God, you guys, potatoes are life. Potatoes, mashed, French fries, baked. Oh, you guys, potatoes are life. They really are. Funfetti cake. Funfetti cake. No, those are all dyes in there, so I can't have that either. I'm so bummed. I am so bummed about that. So yummy. Oh, look at the, oh, and it's a postcard. Ah, look at the postcard. How cute is that? It's got Cheez-Its and Doritos and Cheetos and Ritz. Why are there Ritz in there? Must be just, I don't know. Oh, how funny. Okay, so that is, oh, that's one. This is actually my, out of the whole, I think 6 months I've been getting this. This is my favorite adult kit that we've gotten. I love it. Okay, so let's go with the kids pack. $19.25, you guys. And I love this kit. The kid pack is my favorite, and I love having them. So I use like one sticker, like literally one sticker in my PO layouts, pretty much one every like 3 layouts. And I'm like, okay, I'm gonna have these for the rest of my life. So let's go first with the postcard. You can color this, and it is a dragon. It is a dragon with kind of a potato bug feel to it. We just had one of those that was humongous. It was like one of those like freaking big ones that you're like, okay, did you go next to a power plant or something? So it was just weird. It was a weird one. They're creepy looking, but they're kind of cool. I think they're cool looking. So creepy and cool. I put them outside when I find one wandering around. Dragons and princesses and knights and Merlin. How cute. Oh, look. Oh, diamonds. So, gems. You okay, Dor? Gnomes. And you got every color gnome. So cute. And then look at this one, the crowns. Oh, I love the crowns. They're really cute. So it's a total knights. A knight. I like how, you know, that it's different. Like you have the food one for the adults, and then like knights and princesses and that kind of thing for fantasy for this one. So there, you don't have like, they're not coordinating. And then you have more dragons. How cute. I'm going to do a dragon quote here pretty soon, and I'm in love. Oh, you can dress up your bear. So here's your brown bear and your black bear. It's like an Oreo bear. I think it's more of an Oreo bear. Cute. And then look at, oh, dragons. These are odd ones. These are, well, because that's a dragon with kind of like reindeer horns. Let me see if you can get it. Can we get it? Do we get it? Kind of hard. Oh, there we go. A little bit better. And when the baby one coming out of its egg. Oh, it's funny. So let's move that so you can see that one a little better. Funny. And then we have mushrooms and frogs. Oh, I love it. Mushrooms and frogs. Let's see if we can we get it? I'm not sure because it's so bright in here. You're either not bright enough or you're too bright or whatever. It's like, oh my goodness, never a happy medium. And then we have, oh, look at, aren't these those flying, they're flying like sugar things? I don't know. I don't know what they're called. but I know they fly. Hence why they're in, you know, rocket ships and spaceships and I wonder if, I can't remember what they're called. And these are unicorns. These are total 1980s unicorns. Love it. Love it so much. And then fairies. Every color fairy. Cute. And then, oh, look at, they're like flying in outer space. So you have the knights and what's the girl knight? What's the girl knight called? What's the girl knight called? I don't know. I don't know. Is she still a knight? I don't know. Oh, look at this one. This one's pineapple, you guys. Pineapple. Oh, this is so darn cute. Gosh, I love this stuff so much. And then look at this one. Puffy stickers. I'm all about puffy stickers. I love them. Look, he's drinking coffee, a frappuccino, donuts, in the french fries, a hamburger, a soup bowl, like Cheerios. It's like Fruit Loops. Fruit Loops, more donuts, a cupcake. Oh, I love these guys. I love them so much. Okay, so happy. So happy. Worth the 40 bucks. Completely worth the 40 bucks, you guys. All right, we'll see you all next month or maybe next week. Bye.